Hello YouTube viewers, I'm yet again modifying the front grille of my 2014 Toyota Corolla. I decided to change the look of it again, and this time I'm going to be using the GT perforated sheet from customcargrills.com. This is a late start of the video. I actually had done some prep work already to come up with the template. It was painstakingly tedious to come up with that template, but I'm going to submit it to customcargrills.com for you guys and make it easy for you to actually install this. It's a completely different design of the grille. Hopefully it turns out okay, and I'll just go through some of this techniques. So for those who want to come up with their own template, what I did was actually just use a combination of masking tape and cardboard to follow the contour of the car, the front of it, and then marked it off where I wanted the contour to follow. And just other techniques as well too. I've put the template underneath the sheet. I never did this in the first time I did the modification, but just putting the template underneath helps me position the grille so that I could even out where the perforations are, where I actually have to cut the sheet. I also put masking tape on top of the sheet to protect the part that's going on the car. So again, I'm using the Dremel to cut the sheet itself. Here's a couple of pics of using masking tape to follow the contour of the car in order to make the template for the upper grille. In this modification, the grille still comes into two pieces. And so this video is going to be two parts. The first part of the video is going to be for the bottom part of the grille. I repositioned the LED lights to put them underneath there. That way it'll be safer as well on the road. There'll be less of a glare. The previous modification I had, the LEDs were actually up over here in the top part of the grille, but I had a deflector that kind of helped the LED from glaring any drivers. And this is just a suggestion because the packaging of the sheet that comes in is this cardboard, and it has this padding sheet that protects the finished surface, which is actually on the underside. So you can leave it as is when you open up the packaging and start cutting with it face down. That way you're protecting the face that's or the side that's actually going to be on the outside of the car. With the template underneath the sheet and masking tape on top of the sheet, I've used this Dremel to start cutting the perforated sheet. And having cut the perforated sheet, I'm just putting the neoprene rubber trim around the edges. And that's the neoprene rubber trim that I've just put on around the edges. And now just to fit it onto the front part of the car. There you have it, the part one of this modification, which is the bottom part of that grille. I still have to do some painting, I guess, inside the engine compartment, some flat black. So stay tuned for the second part. Thanks for watching.